Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to present our project about the implementation of an AI-based social media content recommendation system. In the current digital era, social media platforms generate an enormous amount of information every second. Users are exposed to thousands of pieces of content daily, including videos, image, and text. Without an intelligent system, it would be difficult for users to find content that truly match their interests. This is where artificial intelligence, especially machine learning, plays a crucial role. An AI-based recommendation system can analyze user interaction patterns, learn to preference, implicity, and provide content that is more personalized and relevant. In this presentation, we will explain how the system is designed and modeled, including the data use, pre-processing steps, machine learning approach, recommendation methods, as well as the training and evaluation process of the model. Through this project, we aim to show how AI is practically applied to solve real problems in digital platforms. Before we begin, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Arif Prima Rahdian, with student ID number 2024 107.
And my name is Ardi Amerika Putra with student ID number 2024322091.
And my name is Faiz Nurbardiansyah, study ID number 2024 3293.
My name is Thomas Muhammad Iqbal Sabiran with student ID number 2024 32 and 097.
Introduction to the challenge. Background: navigating information overload. Social media platforms generate an immense volume of content daily, leading to significant risk of information overload for users. AI-driven recommendation system analyze implicit interaction patterns such as likes, views, comments, and watch duration. This analysis ensures that display content aligns with user interests, providing a personalized and adaptive experience without relying on explicit labels. Key research questions is like how to design machine learning-based recommendation system, methods for collecting and processing interaction data, suitable algorithms for implicit data without explicit class labels, mechanism for determining content relevance, strategies for measuring system performance, and lastly, factors influencing overall system effectiveness. For our objective is to develop an interaction pattern based on recommendation system and then process the diverse user and content data efficiently, and then implement optimal recommendation algorithms, and then detail system functionality and mechanism, evaluate model performance with relevant metrics, and lastly propose actionable system improvements. And for theoretical AI foundation powering recommendation, for the first one is AI or artificial intelligence. AI enables system to mimic human intelligence, facilitating learning, analysis, and decision making. Its capability to handle big data and adapt to continuous user interaction makes it ideal for a social media recommendation system. For the second one is machine learning. Machine learning empowers system to learn from historical data to make prediction or recommendation. This includes supervised and unsupervised, and then reinforcement learning. In recommendation, machine learning analyze user behavior patterns to generate dynamic, personalized suggestions. And for the last one, content recommendation system. This AI system suggests content based on user preference. Their primary goals are to personalize the user experience, mitigate information overload, and significantly boost user engagement across platforms.
Challenge in AI recommendations. Number one, implicit preference prediction. Prediction user preference without exploiting labeling is a core challenge, requiring advanced inferential techniques. Second, similarity-based approach. Relying on a content or user similarity requires robust metric and efficient computation for effective recommendation. Dynamic data and interest. Social media data is constantly changing, demanding system that adapt to shifting user interest and real-time interaction. Data imbalance and sparingly. Uneven interaction data and sparingly can skew model perform, making accurate prediction harder, especially for new user. Data collection and processing. Number one, data collection involve identify data requirement, patient data retrieval mechanism, dataset integration, and structure storage for optimal accessibility and processing. Second, data processing, critical phase including data cleaning, normalize, natural language processing, NLP technique, tokenization, stop word removal, and feature engineering and splitting data into training and testing set. Data source and type or system utilize a combination of public dataset and simulate user interaction data. This dual approach ensures a balance between real world relevant and experiential flexibility. Data interaction history, timestamps, frequency, content data category, text, and text upload times, derived feature, interaction score, and choosing similarity.
And then there are AI systems modeling about algorithms and mechanics. First one, algorithm selection. These recommendation problems involve predicting preference from implicit interaction in sparse dynamic data requiring personalized content ranking. And then there are recommendation methods. We combine content-based filtering, but based on content characteristics, and collaborative filtering, both based on user or item similarity, into a robust hybrid system. And then there are implicit supervised learning. Each user's interactions are treated as implicit labels, enabling models to predict interest scores from user and content features. And then for the last one is system operations. These interactions translate to preference scores, forming user and content vector profiles. Similarity is compute, content is ranked, and recommendations are generated adapting to new interactions. And then there are model training and evaluation. For the first, there are training the model. The model learns from the training set to minimize prediction error. This process is critical in fine-tuning the system's ability to accurately forecast user preference. Careful measures are taken to prevent overfitting and mitigate bias arising from imbalanced data, ensuring generalizability and fairness. And then for the last one, there are evaluating performance. Each evaluation employs top-end recommendation with key metrics such as precision and recall. These metrics assess the relevance of and completeness of the recommendations, particularly focusing on the top recommendations presented to users. The system's performance is notably enhanced for the users with substantial interaction data.
Next is implementation detail and impact. First one is development and architecture. The system is developed using Python, leveraging libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn. Adopting a modular approach, its pipeline-based architecture integrates data processing, modeling, and recommendation output, supporting seamless integration with other systems via API and service-oriented architecture or SOA. Next is working mechanism. Recommendations are generated using cosine similarity based on user and content preference factors. This similarity-based reasoning ensures that suggestions are highly relevant to user interaction. Next is evaluation and factor. Evaluated through accuracy, precision, and recalls the system. The system performance is heavily dependent on the quality of historical data. Key factor is influencing performance include data imbalance, the cold start problem, data noise, and data sparsity. Next is recommendation for improvement and ethical consideration. Okay, first is social and ethical implication. Recommendation system significantly shape information consumption patterns. This raises crucial issues regarding user privacy, data transparency, and the potential for algorithmic bias. It is imperative that these systems are developed and deployed with accountability and sustainability as core principle, ensuring they serve user ethically. Okay, next is feature enhancement. The first one is hybrid system. Hybrid system is feature combining content-based and collaborative filtering for robust result. Next is advanced feature engineering. Developing more sophisticated features to capture nuanced user behavior. Next is content exploration mechanism. This is introducing strategies to encourage discovery of diverse new content beyond existing preference. And lastly is mitigating filter bubbles. This is designing the system to consciously reduce the formation of filter bubbles, fostering broader exposure. Okay.
Alright, to conclude, our project show that an AI-based social media content recommendation system works by learning from user interaction data to build personalized preference models through pre-processing, modeling, training, and evaluation. The system is able to understand user interest patterns and generate recommendations that are relevant and adaptive. By combining approaches such as content-based filtering and collaborative filtering, the system can analyze both content characteristics and collective user behavior with the support of machine learning. The recommendation process is not static but continuously improves as more interaction data becomes available. This demonstrates that AI in recommendation system is not just a theoretical concept but a real-world solution to handle information overload and improve user experience on digital platforms. That's all from our group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.